I'll show you how to change your App Store country or region on your iOS device. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right to this guide. You may go and move country, and so therefore you want to go and change your App Store country as well, so the apps reflect the country you're in. You can change your App Store country or region in the App Store or in your settings as well, on your device settings. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in the App Store. So all you need to do is open up and just go to any page, I think, and then go to the top right and go click on your profile icon. I've gone and set a custom profile picture, so mine will look slightly different to yours, but I'm pretty sure yours just will be like a silhouette of a person in the top right. So click there, and this will then open up the account page. So wait for this to load, and then what you need to do is go and tap on your name at the top of the account like this, your annual email, and this will take you like account details page. You will then be taken to this account page here, and what you need to do is select country/region like so. You should then be taken to a page which will look like this. As you can see, we have got the option change country or region. However, if you got any active subscriptions, then you aren't going to be able to go and change your country or region. You will firstly need to go and cancel those to do that. You can do that from this accountant page, and then what you can do is go and press on subscriptions and then go and count to them if you want to. This is because you're going to be changing your payment methods as well because of your changing country and region. So that's the first thing you will need to do. And also, if you've got any like App Store credit, that will need to be zero balance. You will need to be zero, so you will need to go and spend that or go and get it removed by Apple support. So you need to go and contact them for that. However, if you've got this option here, then what you can do is click on change country or region, and then you can go and select country you're moving to. So for example, if I was moving to the United States, or scroll down here and select United States, and then once you've done that, you will then need to go and accept the terms and conditions. So I then go and click on agree in the top right after reading them, which I already have done, and you will then be taken to the payment method page where you can go and add your new payment method, which is linked to the country and region which you've just selected. So that's it, guys. You can enter this here, then tap on next in the top right, and you will have then gone and change your App Store country or region. If you guys find this helpful, please consider leaving a like.